Hi, I'm Kat and welcome to Kat's Cooking Corner. Today we are going to be making banana bread. For this recipe you will need flour, baking powder, baking soda, ground cinnamon, an egg, bananas, sugar, some kind of cooking oil. You will also need various measuring utensils, at least two mixing bowls, and an electric mixer. Have you ever bought a bunch of bananas and forgot about them? You go in your kitchen one day and you have these bananas that are dark brown. They're not bad yet. They're just beyond the point you actually want to eat them. Well, here's a great idea for what you can do with these bananas. For this recipe, you will want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees and prep in my case, glass loaf pan. When I grease a pan, I usually use nonstick cooking spray of some sort. Spray it in. Then take a small piece of paper towel. Make sure that all the sides are coated. For this recipe, you will want to start out mixing the dry ingredients together. Take a small mixing bowl. The first thing we need is 1.5 cups of flour. When I say flour, I mean all-purpose flour. Now I'm going to set this aside. You need 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Then 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. You want to take and whisk all of this together. So combined. And then set it aside. Now you want to take your other mixing bowl, preferably the one that goes with your mixer. And we'll go ahead and set up our mixer so it's ready. Now in this mixing bowl, we'll want to get our bananas. So, like I said, 3 medium-sized bananas. These are rather small bananas, so I'm going to go with 4. Now this banana actually has a bad spot, so I'm going to actually break out that part of the banana and throw it away. And use the rest of it. Now you want to take and go ahead and put your mixing bowl onto your mixer. Turn it on to low speed just to mash up the bananas. This is kind of how your bananas should look. Okay, now we want to add the 1 egg. Three-quarters cup of sugar. And a 1/4 cup of cooking oil. I prefer using coconut oil anytime I'm making something with a sweet flavor. Now, put your mixer back down, and again turn it on to low speed. Just combine the ingredients. Once all your wet ingredients are combined, you want to take your dry ingredients and pour them in. Again, start out on low, just combine it. And then turn it up to medium. Whoops. Make sure and scrape the sides so that none of the dry ingredients get forgotten. Be careful not to get your spatula caught in the feeders. Turn it back down to low, slowly raise up the mixer, and off. Your batter should look something like this. Okay, now we need to get our loaf pan that we prepared in the beginning and pour the batter into the pan. Dusty, 9. Sorry, my cat was messing with the cords. So the camera. Now we want to put this in the oven for at least 1 hour. After 1 hour, you can check it for doneness, basic doneness test. Insert a knife, a toothpick, something in the middle. If it comes out clean, then it's done. But we will check it at 1 hour. Meow. 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 This is Dusty. Whoa, hi there, Dusty. I rescued him from the middle of the main road in town here. He was a tiny kitten, and he was just laying there in the middle of the road as cars drove over him. I literally thought he was dead when I first saw him. Then I saw his little head pop up and him look around. I'm like, oh no, that cat is alive. And I had to turn around and rescue him. When I first took him to the vet, he had injuries to his back legs and had difficulty walking. He has healed up, though he still isn't able to jump like he should at his age, but he's a very rambunctious little man. And definitely a part of my family now. Okay, it's been an hour, so we are going to take the banana bread out of the oven and check it for doneness. Knife comes out clean, therefore it is done. You'll want to let the bread cool for probably 30 minutes before removing it from the pan, and then enjoy.